Kids kind of get done shooting the little guns. We'll drag out some shotguns and see if they can hit some clay pigeons. She's shooting a can full of holes to take home to Mom. I told her to tell her Mom, don't mess with me. She took her first target home, all shot to her too.
I bet you're out. Hold on, let me check.